Purchasing your first investment property is an exciting milestone, but it takes careful planning to ensure your venture is a profitable success. The process can be broken down into 4 main steps.
First, it's essential to prepare your finances. Begin by evaluating your credit score and savings, as these will determine your eligibility for a loan and affect the interest rates you are offered. Consider your budget, accounting for not only the down payment, but also closing costs, taxes, and ongoing maintenance expenses. Pre-approval from a lender can give you a clear understanding of what you can afford and strengthen your position when you're ready to make an offer.
Second, research the market diligently. Look for areas with strong rental demand, appreciating property values, and robust local amenities. Analyze historical data to identify neighborhoods with potential for growth and attractive rental yields. It's helpful to speak with local real estate agents, explore online listings, and attend open houses to get a first-hand sense of the market dynamics.
Third, select the right property. Focus on homes that align with your investment strategy, such as single-family homes, condos, or multifamily units. Inspect potential properties for structural issues or necessary repairs, and weigh whether you want a move-in ready home or a fixer-upper with renovation potential. Estimate expected rental income, taking into account local rates and vacancy risks.
Finally, complete the buying process. Submit a competitive offer and, once accepted, proceed with a thorough property inspection and appraisal. Secure financing, review all relevant documents, and work closely with your real estate agent and attorney to ensure a smooth transaction. When all contingencies are satisfied, sign the closing documents, transfer funds, and receive the keys, marking the start of your journey as a property investor. With careful preparation and informed decisions, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial growth.